This video will look at how to use the sales order search. So firstly we go to merchant and then sales, and then from the order drop down we click on order list. So from here we can search the order history and we can use a number of different filters. So firstly we have a keyword search, which can be used to search across things such as the customer's name and details, the order number, the sales rep, and so forth. We can filter by manufacturer for the products that have been ordered on the orders. We can filter by supplier. We can filter by specific sales reps. We can filter by the status of the order and the status type, which is either open or closed. So a closed status is an order that has been cancelled or completed, and everything else should be open. We can search for orders between a specific date range. We can look for specific customers or companies, and then we can search by a customer number, a customer's PO number, a referral code, and also the payment method used by the customer. So if we now do a search, we'll take a closer look at what the results look like. So to view the details of the order, we click the yellow magnifying glass. We can also delete the order by clicking the red cross. The number is a unique identifier tied to the order. The date is the date that the order was created. We can see the customer and their company. We can see the customer's PO number, the status of the order, the portal in which the order came through. The narrative can be populated by the customer in the checkout. And lastly, the order total ex tax.